Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel all about crypto. Today I want to show you a platform that I personally think is the best place to stake your Ethereum safety. Over the past few weeks I have researched a ton of staking options. I have searched across forums, channels, groups and websites, from the most popular ones to the smallest hidden ones. And honestly guys, most of them either offer really low returns or they promise huge profits that just look super shady and unrealistic. But this platform I will show you today actually made sense. Guys, it's transparent, easy to use and way more reliable than what I have seen elsewhere. Let's take a look. Guys, I want to remind you that here you can really earn from staking your Ethereum, and the percentage is real and higher than on the most platforms. 6.6%, which is very cool. And a lot of users have already staked their Ethereum here because everything is transparent, safe, and the most important, legal. There's also a built-in calculator. You can immediately check how much you will earn from staking, and it works super simply. Just connect your wallet, sign a transaction on the smart contract, and start receiving your rewards. You can choose from different wallets connection options, but I personally use MetaMask, and my wallet is already connected. So I'll show you my dashboard, how it looks and how it works inside. The platform has detected that my MetaMask wallet is connected, and this is exactly how my dashboard looks. As you can see over the full history of my staking here, I have staked 32.5 Ethereum, and I have already earned more than $5,500 in rewards. It's all real, and anyone holding Ethereum can do the same. Now let me show you how it works step by step. Let's try staking 3 Ethereum. I want to remind you that this is very good rate. So let's go ahead and hit stake now. And here's transaction. Everything went through successfully. We can close this window and now check our updated balance. Perfect. Now let's try unstaking. We'll go with, let's try 15 Ethereum and hit unstake. Everything works perfectly. You can even track your staking history in real time. As you can see, everything was processed smoothly. Guys, this is an excellent platform that brings real returns. So, one important note before we finish. This video is only for educational purposes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This was Samir from Crypto Facts. See you on my next one. Bye.